All right, so Dustin, we're here today to break some glass with you.
Right, this is a good time, right?
Yeah, absolutely. What do we have here?
So this is 1/4 inch mirror. This is basically standard mirror that's used in almost any residential and or commercial application. It's a 1/4 inch annealed glass, which basically means plate glass. It's not a safety product. It's got a coating on the back, it makes it reflective, but for all intents and purposes, that's a piece of clear glass when we start.
So what we want to do is we're going to break this glass. We're going to kind of take a look at how it breaks and tell people, you know, in the cleanup process what to watch out for and that sort of thing.
For sure, I'm gonna let you grab that wrench and do the swinging, and I'm gonna step out of here for a minute.
So yeah, as you can see, I mean, this is really sharp right here. Lots of jagged pieces down below, but they are big pieces for the most part.
For the most part, you'll get a lot of shaving, so there'll be some small pieces. There's really no great way to do this but put shoes on. Probably find rubber gloves if you've got them. Yep. Pick the large pieces up, get them in a box. If you put them in a bag, obviously they're gonna rip through, and then do some serious sweeping after the fact.
Yeah, for sure.